Keeping your inventory accurate doesn't have to be time-consuming. With Ordoro's data import feature, you can easily update your inventory in bulk. Let me show you how. To update your inventory in Ordoro using data import, first export your products to get an accurate count. Go to the Products tab, click Other Actions, and select Export SKU Inventory Info. Use filters to narrow down the products you need, then click Export. You can find the exported file in the Activity menu under Exports. To keep things simple, delete any unnecessary columns. You only need SKU, warehouse, and physical on hand. In the exported spreadsheet, update the inventory count in the physical on hand column. Double-check your data for accuracy, then save the file as a CSV file. Next, go back to Ordoro, click on your company name in the upper right corner and select Data Import. From the drop-down menu, select Update Inventory. Drag the CSV file into the Upload area or click to select it from your computer. The fields from your file should map automatically, but you can unselect any fields you don't want to update. Click Verify Columns to proceed. Unselect Pause on Errors so the process runs without stopping. Any errors can be reviewed and corrected once the import finishes. Click Save All to start the import. While the inventory is updating, you can continue working in Ordoro, but do not refresh the page to avoid losing progress. Once the import is complete, return to the Data Import screen to review any errors and correct them if needed. Now you're all set. Updating your inventory has never been easier. Stay on top of your stock and keep your operations running smoothly with Ordoro.